Namaste viewers, welcome to SHREE Designers. Today I will show you organza sarees with Kanchi border. People who want to block these sarees, please take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9100050909. First saree, it's a pink with blue combination viewers. In the upper part of the saree, small border. In the lower part, big border viewers. Big Kanchi border. Middle part lo meeku puta. Saree ki pallu and the brocade blouse. Saree price only 1575. Next organza saree, it's an orange with blue color combination. Saree బాగుంది viewers, చాలా light weighted viewers. Saree ki pallu and the brocade blouse. Price only 1575. Next organza saree, ash with blue combination. బాగుంది వ్యూయర్స్ కాంబినేషన్ అయితే. శారీ బార్డర్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ శారీస్ వ్యూయర్స్ అండ్ వెరీ రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్ ఓన్లీ 1575. Saree ki pallu and the brocade blue colored with border blouse. Price only 1575. Next color yellow with blue combination. Excellent combination viewers. Chala bagundi saree. Saree ki pallu and the blouse. Brocade blouse. Blue color. Price only 1575. Next saree, it's a green with blue combination. Anni color combinations chala bagunayi viewers. Pallu meeku boota idi beginning nunchi undi, border kuda beginning nunchi untadi viewers. The blouse, brocade blouse. Price only 1575. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.